Lose belly fat quicker and build muscle with this 6-pack diet. Loaded with vitamins, greens will balance out your hormones and transfer protein right where it's needed. Also very good source of fiber, folate, vitamins A, C, E and K, as well as chromium, a trace mineral that enhances the ability of insulin to transport glucose from the bloodstream into cells. That's good news if you're watching your blood sugar. Morning. 3 asparagus spears. Lunch. 2 handfuls spinach. Afternoon. 2 handfuls broccoli. Before bed. 500 ml greens drink, green vibrance powder. Protein. To compensate for the calorie deficit you're creating, you need a lot of protein. Split it across the day and aim for 1 gram per 0.5 kilograms of your body weight. Below is a breakdown for the average 80 kilograms man. Morning. 3 boiled eggs. Afternoon. 2 chicken breasts. Evening. 1 rump steak. 1 handful kidney beans. Anytime. 1 protein shake. Total protein, 160 grams. Fats. Fat doesn't actually make you fat. Refined carbs are to blame for the podge around your middle. Healthy fats fuel your training, encourage muscle growth and, crucially, teach your body to burn fat for energy. Morning. 1 handful cashews. 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Lunch. 1 avocado. Evening. 1/2 handful mozzarella. Before bed. 1 tablespoon almond butter. Total fats, 83 grams. Carbs. Yes, you need to cut back on these to build 6-pack abs, but most of the carbs you do put away you'll eat before bed. That's right, this improves sleep quality and recovery, reducing cortisol and body fat. Here's what you should tuck into each day. Morning. Handful blueberries. Lunch. 1 banana. Evening. Large spoon sweet potato mash. Apple. Total carbs, 123 grams.